to see the mountain.
Why?
We'll go
To see the mountain of Darjeeling.
mountain.
To see the beautiful scenery या hills of दार्जिलिंग। इन बच्चों को माउंट एवरेस्ट भी दिखाया जाएगा।
सर माउंट एवरेस्ट नेपाल में।
माउंट एवरेस्ट भी ये बच्चे माउंट एवरेस्ट को अपने सामने खड़ा हुआ देख सकते हैं।
These students can see the Mount Everest in the front of him.
In front of them. छोटे छोटे जानवरों को इधर से उधर दौड़ते हुए देख सकते हैं। ये बच्चे छोटे छोटे जानवरों को इधर से उधर घूमते हुए देख सकते हैं।
These students can see the small animal to move here and there.
From there to there.
Moving here and there. Moving here and there.
There.
Running here and there.
सर सेलेक्ट कैसे होगा?
सभी बच्चे अपने साथ गर्म कपड़े, एक टॉर्च, एक रस्सी, एक मोटा रस्सी और लेदर के शूज पहन कर जाएंगे।
All students who will go to Darjeeling to see the hill of Darjeeling.
They will take
one torch,
a rope, the warm cloth,
one
and
torch,
many things.
And put on leather shoes.
सर कैसे सिलेक्ट होगा जो जाएगा वो बच्चा?
टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते से गुजरते हुए बस बहुत अच्छा दृश्य प्रस्तुत करेगा। टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते से गुजरते हुए बस बहुत
जिग जैग रोड।
जिग जैग रोड अच्छा दृश्य प्रस्तुत करेगा।
The bus will pass through zigzag road and present
good looks.
Will present a beautiful scenery या scene. माउंट एवरेस्ट पर सूर्य की पड़ती हुई रोशनी गोल्ड के समान दिखेगा। माउंट एवरेस्ट पर सूर्य की रोशनी एक गोल्डन दृश्य प्रस्तुत करेगा।
The sun
rays on Mount Everest.
The sun rays on the Mount Everest will appear good look.
Yes.
Appear good look.
golden look. golden scene. आकाश को छूती हुई बड़े बड़े पेड़ का मैं कुछ फोटोग्राफ लूंगा। आकाश को छूती हुई कुछ बड़े बड़े
I will-
पेड़ों का
I
मैं फोटोग्राफ लूंगा।
I will take
sir, I will take the
picture of
photograph of
the very
trees.
high which touch the sky.
the trees which touch the
Touch
sky.
sky.
Mountain which touch the sky.
हाँ, I shall take some photographs. I shall take some photographs
Some photographs
of sky touching trees. लिख लीजिए, sky touching trees, गगन चुंबी पेड़।
Sky touching trees. Yes, sir.
Sky touching trees.
सर क्या बोले गगन
Sky touching trees.
मतलब गगन
I shall, देखिए राइटिंग में आएगा कि योर स्कूल हैज अरेंज्ड ए टूर टू गो टू दार्जिलिंग, यू पार्टिसिपेटेड इन दैट टूर, राइट ए लेटर टू योर फ्रेंड व्हाट यू सॉ इन दार्जिलिंग। तो क्या नहीं लिख सकते हैं? हाँ, यही तो है, लैंग्वेज सीख लेने से यू कैन ऑल्सो डील राइटिंग सेक्शन, you can do fill in the blanks in grammar. If you become perfect, then you can deal any subject and any chapter, reading, writing, grammar and literature. You can deal all the things, not only these but also social science and science. Is it clear? That is why I have always been telling you first to prepare the language. Language structure आ जाता है, language का पहला part है structure. तो we have already done. Now other parts of the grammar at the same time you will frame, and you are also collecting the words. For example, sky touching trees. One word you have collected. Another word Vaibhav told zigzag way. When I told you tedhe medhe raste, that is zigzag way. These words, if you have these words, you can easily frame sentence because you have already digested the structures. So it will be very easy for you.
सर कब जाएगा टूर पे?
2 October.
2 अक्टूबर।
Okay, I shall tell you about this if your parents will be agree. At present our school has our school has not opened. How can we have a tour? But if you all join the school and there is no danger of corona and vaccine is out, of that day I am talking of. Okay. Manu and Vaibhav, you appear. You open your video. That is wrong. You open your video. जब मैं थक जाऊंगा तो एक बड़े चट्टान पर मैं चढ़कर और कुछ देर आराम करूंगा।
When I will
tired, then I will take rest in a big stone. Big rock.
स्टोन की रॉक।
Rock.
हाँ, I shall climb up a rock. I shall climb on a rock to take rest.
Rest.
sometimes. for का पर क्या आएगा? for sometimes.
For sometimes.
Very good.
For sometimes.
Very good. कल्पना क्या बोली हो? For.
Yes, sir.
Very good. For sometimes.
Sir, थकना का क्या होता है?
किसका?
Tired.
Tired. When I shall,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
When I shall feel tired तो वैभव यूज किया था. When I shall feel tired, when I shall feel tired, I shall climb up a rock and take rest for some time. For some time. Sometimes नहीं. For some time. Okay. हमारे साथियों में से कोई भी बहते हुए स्ट्रीम का पानी नहीं पिएगा, ऐसा गेम्स टीचर ने कहा. हम सभी साथियों में से कोई भी पहाड़ से गिरते हुए स्ट्रीम या झरने का पानी नहीं पिएगा, ऐसा हमारे गेम्स टीचर ने कहा. तो कोई पानी नहीं पिएगा.
No any drink water.
Yes, no one या none will drink water of
Stream.
very water of either stream or lake. Either stream or lake. हाँ, यह हमारे गेम्स टीचर ने कहा.
This is
My game teacher.
told
My
by
game teacher
our
told
game
us
teacher.
none of you will drink water of lake or stream.
Told none of my friend.
हाँ,
You will drink the water of lake or stream.
हाँ, the games teacher warned us. उन्होंने चेतावनी दिया या suggested us that we should not take the water of either the lake or the stream. उन्होंने आगे कहा कि यह वाटर जहरीला भी हो सकता है. उन्होंने आगे कहा कि यह वाटर जहरीला भी हो सकता है.
He came and
Next he
told us that
Next
water
he told
can
us
also be poisonous.
He further told आगे उन्होंने आगे कहा मीन्स he further आगे FURTHER further. He further told that the water can be हो सकता है can be
poisonous.
हाँ
Can be
poisonous. लौटते समय हम लोग दार्जिलिंग का चाय खरीदेंगे. लौटते समय हम लोग दार्जिलिंग का कुछ चाय भी खरीदेंगे. लौटते समय
On the time
हाँ very good. At the time of returning.
At the time of returning, we will buy
We will purchase the tea of Darjeeling.
of Darjeeling.
We will buy some tea.
हाँ, क्योंकि दार्जिलिंग का चाय पूरे विश्व में हाँ मशहूर है।
Because the
Because
tea
the
of
tea of
Darjeeling
Darjeeling is famous all in the world.
Is famous in the world.
Very good. All over the world, because the tea of
What
Darjeeling
is
is famous
Darjeeling?
all over the world. क्या हुआ वैभव? योर वीडियो। हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है कि बोस्टन टी पार्टी जब इंग्लैंड से अमेरिका जा रही थी तो वह दार्जिलिंग का चाय भी एक्सपोर्ट कर रहा था। हम जानते हैं।
क्या सर बोले हैं?
हम जानते हैं कि अच्छा ये आप लोग हाँ कि दार्जिलिंग का चाय पूरे विश्व में एक्सपोर्ट किया जाता है।
We know that
the tea of Darjeeling
in whole world.
इससे पहले भी कोई क्लास हुई है? हाँ इसीलिए गर्मी होती है।
नहीं सर, वो तो रूटीन है।
हाँ, हाँ, अच्छा
7 का 7 बजे
हाँ।
एवरी डे।
ओह
एक साथ भी सुबह में भी होती है।
हाँ, we know that
The tea of Darjeeling
the tea of Darjeeling
All over the world.
अब नहीं निर्यात किया जाता है, निर्यात किया जाता है।
is exported.
is exported in the whole world.
Is exported,
Is exported all over the world.
हाँ इज प्लेट खेला जाता है तो निर्यात किया जाता है, इज एक्सपोर्टेड। हाँ now we have seen that in a writing section how we have nicely handled. We can frame sentences on anything. It is not only the book. If I am going to ask in the examination that your school has organized a tour to Darjeeling, what did you see there? Write a letter to your friend describing what you saw. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
दार्जिलिंग आसम में है।
अरे मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, अरेंज होगा, बस का अरेंज करेंगे जब स्कूल खुल जाएगा तब तक संतोष रखो।
क्या चीज सर?
वो नहीं सर, दार्जिलिंग आसम में है।
सर वेस्ट बंगाल में।
वेस्ट बंगाल में है, वेस्ट बंगाल में।
वेस्ट
बंगाल में है।
यस वेस्ट बंगाल नहीं, और कि सिक्किम।
गैंगटोक।
सिक्किम
और वेस्ट बंगाल you will have to. That's why I always tell you that on every Sunday you will have to see the Indian map and world map. 15 minutes Indian map and 15 minutes world map. Without that you cannot retain any information. You cannot set in your chip. Where is your chip?
सर ब्रेन।
Yes. So you cannot retain. आप उसे बरकरार नहीं रख सकते हैं if you do not have the idea of the map. Do you know one thing? Automatically a word Montreal came in my book. I thought that Sonal Mansi, a world famous dancer of India, faced an accident and she was in Italy. And later for the treatment she was sent to Montreal. But in which country Montreal is, I didn't know. And I yesterday, just day before yesterday, when I asked in class 9th, then Shreyans was there, that he told that Montreal is in Canada, not in Italy. So why did he tell? Because he is always in contact with the Indian map and world map. Even a city, it is not even a cosmopolitan city. It is only a big city, but he knows it. That is important.
सर वाया मतलब पुलिस स्टेशन होता है
Via.
एड्रेस में लोग
हाँ, via.
आधार का वाया सुरसंड लिखी हुई है
हाँ, via Sursan means through. Through होता है. Via means through. Okay, now take out the book because we have. We have already passed 25 minutes. Have we invested or wasted? Have we invested? the time?
Invest. Invested the time. Invested.
Invest.
And in what we have invested? In originality. This is the original. Learning the language is original. After completion, why do the science teacher and social study teacher always complain about the weakness of the student? It is the mistake of the language teacher, because the students are not ready with the language, and whatever they teach, you do not understand. Weak students do not understand due to the lack of, due to the want of the language. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So language perfection should be at the base. It is the basic need. Language is the basic need. It is a vehicle. Vehicle means
Vaya.
savari. Vehicle means bus, car. These are train. These are vehicles. The language is vehicles. Without this, we cannot go anywhere. We cannot reach to the information. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Open your video and take out where we are. Mithali Raj.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now will you guide me? Where did we leave? देख लीजिए, मैं बराबर प्रयोग करता हूँ, did करता हूँ, did whenever I use did, then I bring the verb in which form?
First form. First.
You should also be always careful that whenever you use did, then you should put the verb always in first form. Sometimes when we are careless, we miss that information, the part of the grammar. Is it okay now? Especially when you tell the story, when you deal the story, you miss did and the verb first form. Okay, now guide me. Where did we leave? Where did we leave?
Sir, third question पे है. Third question पे.
Would you have continued? Yeah, has the cricket scene in India evolved? Third question. Or what are
Yes,
you?
sir. Did you face any?
Okay. What are your childhood memories about cricket? Which one?
No, sir. Sir, did you face any?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Did you face? Can you tell the meaning of face?
Page number 60.
Can you tell the meaning of face?
तो सामना करना
Yes, sir.
Yes, to tackle, to fight against. Face means to fight against. Okay, did you face any? Now there is the use of any. Some is used in affirmative sentence and any is used in a negative and interrogative sentence.
Interrogative.
Very good, Rosni. Are you Rosni?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Have any one of you done this work? Yes, we all have done the work. Is there anything else? In interrogative sentence we use any. And where do we use some? in affirmative
In
sentence.
In affirmative sentence.
Yes. For
Affirmative
example,
sentence.
I have some books, but I shall not give you at present because I am going to teach with those books. Is it clear now? The some and any, be careful. These are determiners. Some, any, all, few, little, a little, the little,
The few, little, both. None, every.
these all are determiners, and gradually now we should command where these are used. These are used,
इस्तेमाल किया जाता है.
उपयोग किया जाता है.
where are all these used? ये सभी कहाँ इस्तेमाल किया जाता है? Okay. Did you face any restriction, objection? Restriction means objection from your extended family. When we talk of family, then it is not only our parents, but grandparents and also some relatives, uncle, auntie, है ना? Is it clear? Extended family means wide family. The wide family means we must include also uncle, auntie, some relatives. When you entered a male-dominated sport, every sports were man-dominated, but now women are participating in all the sports. Either it is a hockey, or cricket, or gymnastic, anything, everywhere.
Or WW.
Even in that, kon WW?
WWE.
The WWE.
Where the wrestling goes on.
Yes, sir. Wrestling.
Where wrestling.
फुटबॉल में
What is the spelling of wrestling, Roma?
Sir,
Wrestling.
हम बोलते
हम बोले
WRESTLING. STLING.
WRES, note down, WRESTLING, wrestling. So
Kusti.
even in that women are participating. And weightlifting means who were denied. It was earlier where a poet has written, man for the field, woman for the hearth, man
For the heart. Man to the command. Woman to the way.
Yes, once I had told you it was an old consideration. देखिए ओल्ड के पहले एन ऑटोमेटिक मेरे जीभ पर आ गया बिकॉज आई हैव डन द प्रैक्टिस एंड व्हेन यू डू द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ स्पीकिंग देन ऑटोमेटिकली ऑन योर टंग विल कम दीज वर्ड्स. इज इट क्लियर नाउ? सो वी मस्ट स्पीक. वैभव धीरे धीरे गायब हो गया. इज इट क्लियर? Manu snatched my whole couplet. Man for the field, woman for the hearth, man to command and woman to obey. It was an old consideration कि मनुष्य पुरुष जो है वो बाहर घूमने के लिए है, पान खाने के लिए चौक पर जा सकते हैं. अब woman for the hearth means चूल्हा. अब महिलाएं जो हैं वो सिर्फ चूल्हा चौकी में रहेगी, उसे बाहर नहीं निकल सकती है. अब मैन टू कमांड, अब पुरुष जो है वो आदेश देगा एक गिलास पानी लाओ, तभी से मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ. एंड वुमेन फॉर द मैन टू कमांड एंड वुमेन. अब महिला को क्या करना है? उनकी आज्ञा का पालन करना है. इज इट राइट इन दिस वर्ल्ड?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Women are breaking all these limitations and are coming out in front of the world, participating in every field. in every field. Who does not know Kalpana Chawla? No, not even a single man has gone into a space from India. Rakesh Sharma, sorry, except Rakesh Sharma. But Kalpana Chawla and Sunita
Williams.
Sunita Williams, they have already touched the space, gone high up. So now there are pilots, they are being appointed in defense. So they are breaking all the
Record.
they are breaking all the limitations. Means confinement. Confinement means घेरा. घेरा वो झिमनी वाला घेरा नहीं. Confinement means जो बंधन. बंधन सही शब्द आ गया. So they are breaking.
Sir, confinement का one
Now today I have talked to.
spelling was
बोल देता हूँ. Today I have talked two things. One, we have gone to Darjeeling. Have you gone to Darjeeling or not?
Yes,
no,
sir.
sir.
Hey, देखो आधा बोले हैं yes, आधा बोले हैं no. Okay. And second, we have talked also about the upliftment of womanhood. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. हाँ, confinement. Kalpana was asking the spelling of confinement. CONFINE.
Yes, sir.
Confinement. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Now when Mithali was asked by the interviewer that did she face any difficulty in the male-dominated country, then she told yes, she accepted. Even now, if you ask any woman, they will tell. I did. At that time, I did not know about the repercussions, means the result. Repercussions means the result of my dad's decision to put me into a sport where I am competing with the boys. Here Mithali Raj was competing with the boys. We have earlier read that she used to practice among the boys. So it was her father's decision to accept this game, not other people of the family. Other members of the family did not agree with her father's decision. Her father was right or the society was right?
Her father was right.
Her father was right.
Very good. But cricket is a rough game. Cricket is a rough game, and I come from a Tamilian family where it was a different scenario altogether. Like our society, even in Tamil Nadu, the women did not have the freedom to participate along with the boys group. Like all over in our country, women are restricted. They cannot share any game with the boys. So Mithali Raj was also facing this difficulty. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes.
My grandparents.
Yes, sir.
Grandparents means
Grandmother, grandfather.
grandfather मनु बोला है. दादा दादी दोनों grandparents हैं.
Yes, sir. हम भी वही बोले grandfather and grandmother.
Okay. My grandparents, aunties and uncles were not very encouraging means they did not pat or bat. Encouraging में they did not pat or bat.
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 Bat means होता है पीटना.
Bat.
Very good.
Bat.
Bat मतलब सर
शाबाश.
थपथपाना, पीठ थपथपाना.
हाँ, उत्साहित करना.